Mami, mahal, love. This is it. Dumating na tayo sa araw na pangarap at pinakahihintay natin. Kaya gusto muna kitang i-congratulate kasi ako yung napili mong mapapangasawa. Char lang. Kidding aside, ako pala dapat yung mag-congratulate kasi binigay ka sa akin ni Lord. Yung pinaka masarap magluto, lalo na pag madaling araw na nagugutom ka. The best ang adobo mo kasi sariling toyo ang gamit.
Mararamdaman pala talaga yun, no? That feeling na masaya lang, laging excited, na makita ka, makasama ka. Yun, looking forward lang palagi. Basta pakiramdam ko, palagay ako sa'yo, magaan yung love ko sa'yo. Feels like I'm safe.
I found you. Two worlds collided. I see forever in your eyes.
Dad, first of all, I want to express my gratitude sa'yo. I am truly grateful for your life. That God gave me a wonderful husband like you. Since the day na nakilala kita, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, I know it was you.
I will love you forever.
Before, akala ko, when you are in love, you must be crazy in love. Pero pinatunayan mo sa akin na I'm not supposed to be crazy in love, but at peace in love.
For almost 12 years nating together, ang dami na nating challenges sa buhay, away, tampuhan, asaran, at kahit hindi ko man nagagawa ng perfect yung 5 love language ni Empress. So grateful pa rin ako kasi hindi mo ako sinukuan, nandito pa rin tayo lumaban.
Hindi ko na wala yung sobrang bilis ng panahon because we never counts those years that have passed. Because we know that it's not the numbers of years that counts, but it's every moment with you that truly counts.
I love you so much, Mami. Let's grow together, make memories, keep making each other laugh, and gawa na tayo ng basketball team ng mga anak. Nandito ako para sa iyo hanggang dulo. I love you so much.